Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making some fluffy American pancakes. I'm just going to go through the ingredients that I'm going to be using. Golden syrup, 1 pack of strawberries, 2 packs of wonky blueberries, 520 milliliters of milk, 1 tablespoon of salt, 4 eggs and 540 grams of self-raising flour, 8 tablespoons of castor sugar and a block of butter. Okay guys, so firstly we're going to start off by putting in the plate and the self-raising flour. Pour it into this bowl. Thereafter, pour in the golden castor sugar. Okay. And lastly, just put in the 1 tablespoon of salt. Now mix until well combined. Okay, now that the ingredients are well combined, I'll put this to a side. Need the milk. Get the milk. What we need to do here is we have 4 eggs as you remember. We need to crack these in to the milk. Last one. 2. 3. Last one. Okay. Now just whisk this until it's well combined. Obviously the bowl I've got it in, it's not really big, but whisk it until it's well combined. So with the milk, obviously the container that I had it in was quite small, so you couldn't whisk it. I'll put it into a slightly bigger pan. Just whisking it. As you can see, obviously the egg has well combined it with the milk. So now what we need to do is we need to add in the melted butter. 8 tablespoons, sorry, of melted butter. So that's it. So add in 8 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and lastly 8. And what we need to do is same thing, just whisk it. Okay, now that this has been mixed, put this to a side. We need to grab our dry ingredients, and we need to pour in the milk. Once we pour this in, obviously the same procedure would apply by whisking it. So whisk it until it's well combined. All ingredients are well combined. So let's go. Mix. The mixture is now complete, so we can put this to a side. Now all we need to put in is 1 tablespoon of melted butter into this pan. Just sprinkle it around like that. A little bit more. Okay, now we're ready to make our first pancake. Okay, grab any ladle that you have. I've got this one. And pour in the mixture. So make your first pancake. So once bubbles are formed around here, as you can see, then you'll have to flip over the pancake. There we go. And flip. There we go. As you can see, guys, the pancake has now been made. As you can see, look how nice and delicious that looks. So now What we did just now, we're going to have to repeat the process for the amount of pancakes that you're going to make. So that's the process, and I'm going to make another few. When pancakes are complete, stack them up. You can decorate as you wish. My personal preference, I like strawberries and I like blueberries with my pancake. So I'm gonna put on a few strawberries to the side of the plate, side of the pancake, and a few on the top with a hint of blueberries on the top and also a hint of blueberries at the bottom. Now you can squeeze on some golden syrup, and that's final product. Thanks for watching guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe.